apple cider vinegar shot. I use these baby espresso cups, a shot's worth, and I always have to hold my nose because if I get even a little whiff of how this stuff smells, I will not drink it. Oh my god. It is so strong. And I'm also going to take the Symbiotica vitamin C packet and I squeeze it directly into my mouth. They say that this vitamin C packet is equivalent to eating 10 oranges. So there's a lot of vitamin C in here. Hey you guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 18. It is currently 3:30 in the afternoon. I'm with my mom.
Hi guys.
And we are about to go to get our nails and toes done. And we just spent the whole morning making breakfast, making Cinnabuns, cooking, cleaning. I edited Vlogmas day 17 and just chilled a bit. It's Sunday, so this is the perfect day to just relax and catch up on rest that we were lacking throughout the rest of our week.
Definitely.
And also prepare for this week coming up of full work and back to business.
I can't believe Christmas is coming in a few days.
It's actually insane. I cannot believe that we are actually 18 days into Vlogmas and that December is nearly over.
Wow.
That's what's up for the day. We kind of spend Sundays as like a reset day in preparation for our week. We usually do a lot of laundry, a lot of cleaning up around the house, and
reordering groceries,
yes,
or grocery shopping.
All that fun stuff. We have a Whole Foods delivery arriving between 6 and 8 p.m. So I'll give you guys a little grocery haul once that arrives as well. I have to post today's Vlogmas video in 30 minutes and I want my mom to watch it and just see if it's all good to go because she is like a judge. And she's like my personal...
What's the word?
Critic?
Yes.
She's my personal critic when it comes to my YouTube videos, so I make sure that she watches them.
And content in general.
Yeah, true. Anything I post before I post it, she watches it, and she's kind of like...
the yay or nay person.
Exactly. We're gonna head on out to go get our nails done, and I'll see you guys in a little bit once I'm there. I cannot wait to just sit in the pedicure chair and just relax.
You should get a massage too.
I might have to.
We should get a massage. What's
Also,
that lady's name?
Rosa.
Yes.
I don't know if I'm gonna get my nails done. I know my mom is. I don't know if I'm gonna do mine because I just did mine last week and I kind of want to wait until like the middle of this week so that they last through Christmas.
And New Year's?
Yeah. Here's a little overview of the Whole Foods order that just arrived. We got a whole bunch of cheeses over here, avocados, lemons, bananas. These are the best chips ever. And then zucchini, broccoli slaw, broccoli, carrots, and beans for dinner one night. And then we got some berries, blueberries, raspberries, peanut butter. And this is coffee cake, Mom? What is this? Like, we didn't need that, but it looks amazing. And then the best oatmeal and these 2 cereal boxes, these chips, and 2 dozen eggs. So I'm gonna put all of this away, wash all of the fruits and veggies, and load up the fridge. and I am all showered. I just did my laundry. I put away all the groceries, I did some editing, and I am now about to treat myself to the frozen yogurt that my mom and I got a little earlier. A lot of this vlog was montage style. Once in a while, I kind of enjoy these style videos, especially when it's satisfying organization, cleaning up around the house, and it's just like a relaxing style of video, especially because today is Sunday. I feel like this is a great representation of the relaxing and chill day that I'm having myself, so I want to represent that with this video and in this style of content. Here she is in her glory. I get chocolate with graham cracker and peanuts layered, so every few sections of chocolate frozen yogurt are toppings, so you get a little bit with each bite, and this is the best frozen yogurt I have ever had, and I crave it all the time, and I'm so happy that I have a whole size small to myself. So I'm gonna enjoy this, watch some YouTube Vlogmas videos, maybe some Netflix, and then we'll be back to editing this video so I can have it up for you guys tomorrow.